Copyright 2022 Smart Dating Over 60 LLC, all rights reserved. Today's show centers on an unforeseen plus enjoyable subject I've been itching to share. We're talking dating. Particularly, suggestions on how to date introverts, and how to attract individuals naturally as an introvert. I'm speaking with dating coach Sarah Jones, of Sarah focuses on assisting introverted guys improve their dating experience and bring in women naturally. What Sarah would inform somebody simply beginning out on this journey. Podcast, play in brand new window, download, subscribe. If you're an introvert and the idea of flirting with a stranger appears scary, these methods can make it simpler. If you're a shy man searching for love, you probably know how it feels to be overwhelmed and nervous about all the pressures overdid you. Today's dating culture places the onus on men to start conversations, make the first move, and set up dates. You might stress that you'll run out of things to state, or you'll put yourself out there only to be declined. Possibly you're the great person, who always winds up in the pal zone. And, after dealing with hundreds of students and 1:1 dating training clients, I have actually observed certain worries showing up once again, that you won't understand what to state and things will get awkward, that you'll be declined since you're not flirty and fun enough, that you're not. You see, your ancient lizard brain, which refers to the oldest part of the brain stem, wishes to keep you safe by recreating what is familiar to you. This is due to the fact that this part of your brain is primarily interested in survival. However, if you create a brand new experience like approaching somebody you discover attractive when you usually would not do this, your brain states, "Hey, I endured that," and you gradually start to get unstuck. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.